Have you ever struggled to find the perfect lipstick shade? It's a common dilemma, isn't it? Hunting for that elusive color that complements your skin, your style, and your smile. That's because the right lipstick shade doesn't just adorn your lips, it enhances your beauty, boosts your confidence, and lets your personality shine through. It's not just makeup, it's a powerful accessory. But worry not, finding the perfect lipstick shade is easier than you might think. First things first, identify your skin undertone. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a skin undertone? Essentially, it's the subtle hue underneath the surface of your skin. And here's the thing, it doesn't change with exposure to the sun or lack thereof. It's your constant companion. There are 3 categories of skin undertones: warm, cool, and neutral. Warm undertones lean towards peachy, golden, or yellow hues. You're in the cool undertone club if your skin has a hint of blue or pink. And if you can't quite decide between warm or cool, you may just have a neutral undertone, a harmonious blend of both. So how do you identify your undertone? Check the veins on your wrist. If they appear more green, you're likely warm. If they are blue or purple, you're cool. And if it's hard to tell, you're probably neutral. Knowing your skin undertone is the first step towards finding your perfect lipstick shade. Now that you know your skin undertone, it's time to choose the right lipstick shade. Choosing the perfect lipstick shade is all about complementing your skin's undertone. If you have a cool undertone, lean towards lipstick shades with blue or purple hues. Think of berry shades, cool reds, or even a daring plum. These shades will enhance your cool undertone, making your skin look radiant. For those with a warm undertone, lipstick shades with a red or orange base are your best friends. Picture a warm peach, a fiery red, or a sweet caramel tone. These shades will bring out the warmth in your skin, giving you a glow that's hard to miss. For neutral undertones, you're in for a treat. You can pull off both warm and cool shades. So go ahead and experiment with a variety of lipstick shades until you find your perfect match. Remember, the right lipstick shade will complement your skin undertone, not contrast it. Finally, always remember the golden rule. Try before you buy. It's crucial to swatch lipstick shades in different lights, as store lighting can be deceiving. Also, keep in mind, your skin's natural changes throughout the day can affect how a lipstick shade appears on you. This is why it's important to embrace the trial and error process. Don't be afraid to experiment with a variety of shades, finishes, and brands. So go ahead, embrace the trial and error process until you find your perfect lipstick shade.